Remember when you first noticed that you had foundation problems? Has it been more than 5 years? Even longer? Does it really matter? Well, it actually does. If you care about the value of your home. Back when you first noticed those cracks and sloping floors, the cost of gasoline was $2 a gallon. Eggs were $1.95. A gallon of milk, just under $3. And the wage for skilled laborers to actually repair your foundation was around $20 an hour. Well, that's certainly gone up over the past few years, hasn't it? Labor has doubled and you still haven't fixed your foundation. Back then, inflation was quite low, and the cost of a mortgage was below 4%. Well, it's 2024, and you're still looking for a solution to stop those cracks from returning. Again and again. I bet you're finally getting tired of seeing them, aren't you? That's why you are here today. Right? And you know where prices have gone. Everything has gone up. Labor, material, transportation, insurance. Do you think it's going to get any cheaper in the future? Think again. Everything costs more when you wait. So, when are you going to do something about that problem? Stop the procrastination and call Foundation Technology today. And get a quote to fix your foundation problems. There's no obligation, but at least you will know the cause and how much it will cost to fix your foundation the right way, permanently, with long-term warranties, and with a price that meets your needs and requirements, not ours. Look, it's not going to get any cheaper, so why not call and get your home repaired today? Because you know, the problem will eventually get worse. We offer 100% financing too, just in case you were interested. Foundation Technology. A firm footing is the key to a solid foundation. We fix both.